Hi, and a very good day to you, friends. Today I'm going to review on a new product called Drex. Now, this product promises a lot of things, and even for the people who have tried and failed in traffic generation, this software really promises a lot of things that it can do, and they are so confident that you'll be able to do very well with this software is that they give you a 90-day money back guarantee. And not only that, if you fail to generate any traffic, they are ready to pay you even $500 back to you. So it is worth trying out. And if you're in for earning some dollars for yourself, then you can try it. I will go through everything one by one and then you can decide. And one more thing I would like to tell before I go for the review of Drex is, as usual, I have some good bonuses for you when you purchase Drex from me by clicking the link below. And also you have very good bonuses from the vendor himself. And I think the sort of bonuses you're getting, it's really worth it for the amount that you're going to pay. And this is going to be a very short-term offer, and I would rather tell you to pick it up at the earliest to avoid any sort of disappointment about getting new softwares. So starting with the earnestly spended bonus bundles, and which will come to you in the end of this presentation. I will start off with the Drex. So with the Drex, you can unlock the hottest traffic sources. Okay, they call it the world's first two-in-one real app for you, and also you get an autopilot free. That is one of the bonuses that they are going to offer you when you go in for this particular software. So what is Drex all about? Drex, you get unlimited free traffic in 30 seconds. And there are 200 plus viral traffic templates. It is created for beginners, and you have a $100 a day tutorial, which is included free as bonus again. And you have other things like attaining the laptop lifestyle, upgrade your life for better with, by using this particular software and earning money. And plus you also get traffic, or you get paid $500, which I told you in the beginning of my presentation. And you're only 3 steps away for this software. Just purchase it. That is step number 1. Just activating is a second step, and then you start earning your commissions. I know what you're thinking. Oh, not another traffic software that doesn't work. Well, the promises are really very genuine, and I feel you will be able to earn. And I'm not totally telling that this is the best software, but then there are softwares I reviewed before which came very close to this, but I feel this is a good software, and especially because they are ready to give you your money back within 90 days if you do not earn the sort of money they say you will earn. Okay. Now, recently there has been a wave of so-called traffic apps flooding the market, and it has failed, and you are told that you will definitely succeed, and finally you are left with disappointment. So the creators of this software, they have actually spent thousands of money and trials, efforts, etc. to see that you succeed. And this software is for not only for the beginners, it is also for the intermediates and for the advanced marketers. They have already tried with 50 newbies and seen that they have succeeded in earning money. So that shows even a newbie can work with this software. So what is the uniqueness in this particular software? It is meant even for a beginner or an intermediate or advanced, as I told you, and you can easily use their brand new world #1 software to get incredible amount of free viral traffic, and you can do it without any of the following, that is, no technical skills required, no being on a camera, no setting up funnels, no previous experience, no paid advertising, no huge budgets, no list building, no complicated training, no waiting months for results. You are just a few clicks away for living the life of your dream. Now, free access. Act out to get 5 bonuses. If you immediately go in for it, you can get 5 bonuses worth many dollars. I think this itself is really worth it to try this software. And here's what you are getting today with the Drex. Brand new Drex software, that is $67 per month, which you're going to get it in one single payment. Autopilot worth around $51, and you'll be getting that free. Over-the-shoulder tutorials, ready fire profit guide, live chat support, 3 steps to $420, call to millions, the live training, and the bonuses. The bonus #1, results in the first 5 minutes. Bonus #2, 3 ways we bank with the Prime. Bonus #3, 2021 year-end bundle. So it's the beginning of 2022. So I'll be getting the 2021 year-end bundle. Xmas, that is Christmas cash gift worth about $197. How we scale to 10K per month. That should be really good. And apart from this, you also get gifts. And the gifts are: gift #1, $300 a day ClickBank site for the first 200 buyers. Gift #2, $197 worth $1,997 ATM for the first 100 buyers. Gift #3, $98,000 in 7 days. Done for you funnel for the first 50 buyers. Gift #4, $100, no effort, done for you system for the first 30 buyers. And other than that, you also get 365-day money back guarantee, get results or get paid $250, which is priceless, and total value of everything $11,309. But today you can grab it for just $17. My God, I think this is really good. It's worth it. Okay, you're getting so many things. It is priceless, and you're getting it $17. It's good. And apart from this comes my bonus. If you buy this from my link. Bonus #1, traffic generation method. Again, to do with traffic. Bonus #2, traffic augmenter. Again, to do with traffic. I think you are going to become an expert in traffic, viral traffic generation, and other traffic bonuses what I am giving you. Bonus #3, you also get profit ignition for email marketing. And profit #4, you can flare up without an email list. And of course, all the vendor fast action bonuses, and you really have to act fast to get benefit from all these bonuses. Okay, thank you very much. I think I come to end of my presentation. It is a very simple presentation, and it is a very simple start off business with just 3 clicks. Just purchase, activate, and start earning. So I come to the end of the presentation. Thank you very much for your patient listening. This is a very short presentation, and you can see for yourself how good this is. I feel it is a real worth it. For $17, you are getting so much of bonuses, and act fast, grab it immediately, and even if you fail, I'm 100% sure you shouldn't. And even if you fail, you're going to get back your money in 90 days, and you also get $500 from the vendors. So I feel it is really good. Please go ahead, keep in touch with me. Let me know how well you are doing, and please do not forget to subscribe and like my presentation, my review, and thanks a lot. See you in the next presentation.